guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're returning, hey sis. So today I'm going to be doing a Samsung Chromebook unboxing. I did already start opening the box because, you know, a girl got a little bit excited or whatever, but I did remember to, you know, wait and record, so that's what I'm doing right now. We're going to start off by just taking everything out of the box. I'm going to switch the view real quick, give you guys a better view. We're going to just start off by taking everything out. These are the first two things that I got out so far. And then we're just going to take the laptop out now. This is the last thing that's in the box. There's nothing else in the box. It literally only comes with the laptop and two little things and an envelope. When you open it, okay. It's looking like that. So in here, we have the cable, and here, assuming that this is the head. Yep. All right, it looks nice, looks sleek, or whatever. Take this off, and we're just gonna plug it in and see. Okay. This. So now I am gonna plug it in because it doesn't come with any charge. Like, you literally need to plug it in order for it to turn on. But besides that, this envelope only came with a quick start guide. So for the people that, you know, need a little bit extra step-by-step guidance, it's here for you. So let's see how long it takes to start up. I just plugged it in. We're just gonna click let's go. Yeah, I got me some food, guys. Like, I'm ready to, you know, eat. So it just asks me who's using this Chromebook. I'm gonna put for me. Sign into your Chromebook. So now they're asking for a Google email and password. So okay, you guys.